Talk 5. Be careful with switches. When entering a workplace, one of the first things we notice is their danger sign. Many of these signs relate to electricity. They warn us of serious injury or even death. Switches are particularly attractive. The higher the voltage, the stronger the attraction. Curiosity, desire to make things happen, or saving time often drive us to touch them. Operating a switch can start a machine, cause a fire, or even trigger explosives. It can illuminate a room or workshop. It can also kill. A switch used correctly can be very useful. Used incorrectly, it can cause immense harm. For example, a worker once tried to reset a main circuit breaker on a machine. The breaker tripped due to an overload. He went to the control room and reset it. The breaker tripped again. A spark from the old breaker burned his left eye. He was out of work for 10 days. These accidents happen often. Companies create rules to prevent them. This worker ignored the rules and warnings. He thought he could take the risk. He almost lost an eye. A few minutes to call a supervisor or electrician would have prevented this. Electricity is part of modern life. But if not handled responsibly, it can cause death. Touching switches without knowledge is not bravery. It shows a lack of common sense. A trained electrician knows the current, what to do, and how to do it safely. Anyone else risks serious injury. The bravest workers are usually the most careful. They respect signs placed near switches. Paying attention to all signs near switches prevents serious consequences. Remember, electricity usually gives only one chance.